Oh, hey Jerson, what do I do with my old mirrors, man? Are they still good? Well, yeah, they are, but, you know, you don't need that shit, so that's where they go now. Are you sick of having your blind spots not seeing in your 5th gen 4Runner? Well, let me show you. Instead of these little flimsy things, which you could see just fall off with shitty-ass adhesive, let me show you the real way. Now, this real way is a genuine Toyota part from a RAV4. I'll show you guys how we found this idea, and it just fits absolutely perfect. It's heated as well, and it has your perfect blind spot in it that moves, and it's an OEM Toyota part. Can't get better than that. Now, to do this mod, this is what you'll need. You'll need your parts, and these are the parts and the part numbers. Here's the other side. This is the right hand side. This is the left hand side. Now this is off of a RAV4, which has the same mirrors as a 5th gen 4Runner, which you guys can see me, hello. Now, you can't see like this, and it looks like shit, personally. It looks like trash, just nothing. But on the back, you have your, you know, heating and cooled your heating mirrors and your powered mirrors. And on the RAV4, you have the exact same thing. Now, this is the left-hand side, and this is the right-hand side. Exactly the same. Exactly. You just have this beautiful OEM blind spot. And I absolutely love it. This is probably the coolest mod. So what you need is the parts, which these are the parts right here. Genuine Toyota parts. And basically a suction cup. You know, you could use a GoPro suction cup. These are a repair for a MacBook Pro screen, and this is brand new. So let me show you guys how to pop off the old mirror. Now, to pop off the old mirror, you're going to want to clean your surface first. Then you're going to take your suction cup and basically just suction cup to that. So, right in the middle, push it on, suction cup it, lock it, and you're ready to just pull straight out. Now it's going to feel like you're going to kind of be a little aggressive, but you are. So you're just going to want to tug on it, and now once you start tugging on it, you'll get it off. And this is what's going to happen. You're going to have a little clip right here for your power mirror and your heated mirror. And well, this is your power mirror. This is actually your heated side. And here it is. That's what it looks like. We're basically not going to need this anymore, so I don't want to break it. I know it's glass. And here's a suction. You don't need that anymore. So you're going to want to come back, make sure it all works, get this kind of straightened out a little bit. I know it sounds like you're hurting it. That's how it felt like the first time. So let's put the new one on. Now to pop this back in, you just look where these little holes are. And you just give it a nice little pot. Make sure it's in. And it's not in all the way, but it will be. Like so. Boom. There it is. It looks sleek, it looks great, and looks like it's there. Now let's see if this works. And both of the mirrors actually work so I can prove it to you. Left side first. Works great. You'll just have to put them where you want it. Put it there. See if the right side works. Right side works as well. And then you just move out those blind spot monitors where you want it. And then ta-da! Now, if you guys don't have the electronic ones, which newer vehicles do, Toyota, listen to your customers and at least put mirrors with blind spot monitors on them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. This is a cool mod for 5th gen 4Runners.